the solid sheet of silver steel, scanning for the secrets that the welds conceal, shooting dark rays from the safety zone, finding tiny fractures inside the bone. The radiographic film is shining bright, the quality throughout the night scanning, the pipeline beneath the deep blue sea, keeping the power spec secure and free. Is passing through the heavy wall, reading the shadows where the shadows fall. A certified inspector with a steady eye, making sure the infrastructure matches high. Hidden in the warning sign, leaving all the dangerous mistakes behind. Dark room developing a perfect silver screen, the cleanest industrial record ever seen. Looking through the solid sheet of silver steel, scanning for the secrets that the welds conceal, shooting dark rays from the safety zone, finding tiny fractures inside the bone. The radiographic film is shining bright, guiding the quality throughout the night scanning. Gamma sources passing through the heavy wall, reading the shadows where the shadows fall. A certified inspector with a steady eye, making sure the infrastructure matches high. Protection hidden in the warning sign, leaving all the dangerous mistakes behind. Dark room
Pressing down the transducer on the metal plates, sending out the sound waves to check the state. Measuring the thickness with a digital screen, searching for the void that cannot be seen. The ultrasonic wave returns so fast, holding the specs until the very last pulse, flashing on the grid, keeping the dangerous defects safely hid. Calibration blocks aligning in a row where the secret sound velocities flow. Find elimination in the heavy crane before the structures feel the heavy strain. Frequency testing, checking structural grace, inspecting the vessels in the dangerous place. Prize electric crystals, humming very light, shining a beacon in the darkest night. Pressing down the transducer on the metal plates, sending out the sound waves to check the state. Measuring the thickness with a digital screen, searching for the voids that cannot be seen. The ultrasonic wave returns so fast, holding the specs until the very last pulse echo signals, flashing on the grid, keeping the dangerous defects safely hid. Calibration blocks are lining in a row where the secret sound velocities flow. Finding lamination in the heavy crane before the structures feel the heavy strain. Frequency testing, checking structural grace, inspecting the vessels in a dangerous place. Piezoelectric crystals humming very light, shining a beacon in the darkest night. particles awoke, clinging to the leakage of the magnetic flux, finding the disruptions inside the trucks. Fluorescent indications under black light glow in the darkness of the heavy night. Checking every anchor, checking every chain, making sure the heavy lifting bears no pain. Subsurface crack detection, keeping structure strong, inspecting the components where they all belong. No destruction needed, just a simple test, perfect verification of the very best. Inducing the current through the iron yoke, where the black and yellow particles awoke, clinging to the leakage of the magnetic flux, finding the disruptions inside the trucks. The magnetic powder shows the hidden line, indicating defects. The magnetic powder shows the hidden line. Fluorescent indications under black light glow in the darkness of the heavy night. Checking every anchor, checking every chain, making sure the heavy lifting bears no pain. No pain, 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 no pain. Subsurface crack detection, keeping structure strong, inspecting the components where they all belong. No destruction needed, just a simple test, perfect verification of the very best. Cleaning up the surface, making it so bare, spraying on the red dye in the open air, liquid pulling downward by the nature's law, creeping inside every little flaw. The penetrant is seeping in the deep, cracked developer is drawing all the secrets back bright. Red indications on the canvas, white part of quality assurance in the light. Washing off the excess with a steady hand, leaving only answers on the metal band. Capillary action works without a sound, making sure the engineering stays profound.
connections to the pressure tank. Find in every pocket on the iron flank. Beautiful precision in a simple spray. Guarding the workplace every single day. Cleaning up the surface, making it so bare. Spraying on the red dye in the open air. The liquid pulling down by the nature's law. Creeping inside every little flaw. The penetrant is seeping the deep cracked developer is drawing all the secrets back. Bright red indications on the canvas, white part of quality. Washing off the excess with a steady hand. Leaving all the answers on the metal band. Capillary action works without a sound. Making sure the engineering stays profound. From aircraft engines to the pressure tank. Find in every pocket on the iron flank. Beautiful precision in a simple spray. Guarding the workplace every single day. A powerful flashlight inside a dark room. Checking the surface for the hidden doom. An experienced eye looking close at the seam. Finding the undercut underneath the beam. Visual inspector checks the surface line. Whether the metal work is good or fine ancient. Welding craft standing pretty strong. The segments where they all belong. Magnifying glasses holding in his hand. Reading the gauges on the steel band. Porosity and cracks standing in the way. Clearing out the hazards for a better day. the final book, guarding the project with a steady look. Pure verification of the structural grace, working with honor in this heavy place. Powerful flashlight inside a dark room, checking the surface for the hidden doom. An experienced eye looking close at the seam, finding the undercut underneath the beam. Visual inspector checks the surface line, whether the metal work is good or fine. Ancient welding craft standing pretty strong, measuring the segments where they all belong. Magnifying glasses holding in his hand, reading the gauges on the steel band. Porosity and cracks standing in the way, clearing out the hazard for a better day. Allowed inside the final book, guarding the project with a steady look. Pure verification of the structural grace, working with honor in this heavy place. Passing the probe through the copper tube, coiling the current in a perfect loop. Induced magnetic force, feeling the inside, testing the alloy where the cracks reside. Eddy-Current, the frequency rate finding. Current counts. Heat exchanger tubes lining up so straight, checking the conductivity before it's too late. Subsurface anomalies showing on the screen, making sure the refinery stays completely clean. Advanced electrical testing without a sound.
passing the probe through the copper tube, coiling the current in a perfect loop. Induced magnetic force feeling the inside, testing the alloy where the cracks reside. Eddy-Current counts the frequency rate, finding internal flaws in the metal platter rotating. Heat exchanger tubes lining up so straight, checking the conductivity before it's too late. Subsurface anomalies showing on the screen, making sure the refinery stays completely clean. Advanced electrical testing without a sound, verifying components deep under the ground. Absolute assurance in the public zone, standing securely on the engineering throne. Pressure vessel is filled up to the peak, listening for the stress that makes the structure weak. Sensors attached to the massive iron tank, catching the micro fracture on the flank.
vessel is filled up to the peak, listening for the stress that makes the structure weak. Sensors attached to the massive iron tank, catching the microfracture on the flank.
Active floors growing inside the heavy wall, hearing the metal before it starts to fall. Continuous monitoring keeping us awake, guarding the bridge over the central lake. Systems saving human lives, preventing disaster before it arrives. True technical logic, working through the dark, bringing security to every power spark. Vacuum box testing on the bottom plate, applying the soapy water to check the state, looking for the bubbles rising from the seam, ensuring the seal matches the designer's dream. Halogen sniffing inside the double wall, pressure adjustments before the winter falls. Certified technician signing off the paper, true safety rising like a morning vapor. With a shield of steel. Vacuum box testing on the bottom plate, applying the soapy water to check the state, looking for the bubbles rising from the seam, ensuring the seal matches the designer's dream. The leak detection secures the pipe, flange working in silence alone. The northern range now liquid can flow, making the dustry efficiency grow. Halogen sniffing inside the double wall, pressure adjustments before the winter fall. Certified technician signing off the paper, true safety rising like a morning vapor. From storage tanks to the nuclear dome, checking the safety of our country's home. No mass destruction, just a perfect seal, protecting the future with a shield of steel.
The National Center sets the standard high, verifying quality under Asian sky, issuing certificates for the global trade, making sure the national industry is made. The National Center, the National Center, non-destructive testing in the public zone, regulating businesses from the central throne, protecting the consumers from the hazard threat, with the finest standards that the team has met. Legal regulations keeping systems clear, bringing tech assurance closer every year. High fidelity, a pride official site, shining forever in the morning light. The National Center, the National Center. National Center sets the standard high, verifying quality under Asian sky, issuing certificates for the global trade, making sure the national industry is made. The inspector signs the government decree, guaranteeing safety for the world to see. Standard certification, flying high and free, building the foundation of prosperity. Legal regulations keeping systems clear, bringing tech assurance closer every year. High fidelity, a proud official site, shining forever in the morning light. All the data clear, reviewing the inspection reports of the year. No defects remaining, every weld is sound, ready to build the project on the ground. The NDT certified indicators officially signed. The ultimate safety has been high, like government standards defending, the state promoting. It's too late. The authority checks the final quality sheet, ensuring the national infrastructure is complete. Proud engineer standing in the morning sun, knowing the duty was professionally done. High fidelity standard, a glorious sight. Industry moving forward into the light. The legal framework keeping everyone secure. Our national quality will forever endure. All the data clear, reviewing the inspection reports of the year. No defects remaining, every weld is sound, ready to build the project on the ground. The NDT certificate is officially signed. Ultimate safety has been allied. Government standards defending, the state promoting growth before it is too late. Ensuring the national infrastructure is complete. Proud engineer standing in the morning sun, knowing the duty was professionally done. High fidelity standard, a glorious sight.